Welcome to Compare to Win. The best Opalex shampoo and conditioner is probably one of the most sought-after hair care duos on the market right now, promising a transformative experience for those struggling with dryness, damage, or frizz, and I've been putting it to the test to see if it truly lives up to the hype and delivers that salon-quality smoothness and shine everyone's talking about. Number 5. Olaplex Nº 0.5 Bond Maintenance Conditioner. Introducing the Olaplex Nº 0.5 Bond Maintenance Conditioner. It's designed to repair existing damage and protect your hair from future breakage. Say goodbye to frizz. This powerful formula leaves your hair smoother and more manageable, no matter your hair type. Experience visibly stronger hair with every use. It works to rebuild and reinforce the bonds within your hair strands. Whether your hair is coily, curly, straight, or wavy, this conditioner is formulated to benefit you. It provides essential care for all textures. Keep your hair looking and feeling its best. It helps maintain the health and vibrancy of your locks, promoting overall hair wellness. What we like. This conditioner is designed to repair existing damage and prevent future breakage. It also works to significantly reduce frizz, leaving your hair smoother. If you have damaged or frizzy hair and are looking for intense repair and smoothing, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. This shampoo and conditioner set is amazing. It leaves my hair feeling soft and looking shiny. I love how this shampoo and conditioner set smells. It has a light, fresh scent that isn't overpowering. My hair has never felt so healthy since using this shampoo and conditioner set. It's made a huge difference in the texture and appearance of my hair. Number 4. Olaplex Nº 0.4 Bond Maintenance Shampoo. Discover the revolutionary Olaplex Nº 0.4 Bond Maintenance Shampoo. It's designed to repair and protect your hair from damage and breakage. This powerful formula works to mend existing damage while actively defending against future breakage. Keep your hair strong and healthy. Experience intense hydration that leaves your hair feeling soft and revitalized. It's perfect for restoring moisture balance. Whether your hair is coily, curly, straight, or wavy, this shampoo is formulated to benefit you. Enjoy healthier hair, no matter the texture. Join the Olaplex family and transform your hair care routine. Achieve salon-quality results right at home with this exceptional product. What we like. This shampoo focuses on repairing damage while replenishing essential hydration. It strengthens your hair from within, making it more resilient. If your hair is dry, damaged, or weak and you need a powerful cleansing and strengthening treatment, this shampoo is ideal. What people say. It has transformed from dry, dull, and lifeless to shiny, smooth, and healthy looking. My hair feels significantly stronger and looks so much shinier without being greasy. It really helps repair damage and leaves my hair smooth and shiny without weighing it down. Number 3. Olaplex Nº 7 Bonding Oil. Introducing Olaplex Nº 7 Bonding Oil, your ultimate hair treatment. This innovative oil is designed to enhance your hair's natural beauty and health. Achieve a brilliant shine while protecting your hair from heat styling. It provides a shield against damaging temperatures, keeping your locks healthy. Experience visibly smoother and softer hair with every use. It works to tame frizz and leave your hair feeling incredibly touchable. Keep your hair color looking vibrant and fresh. This oil helps to maintain the richness and depth of your hair color. Enjoy up to 72 hours of frizz control, no matter your hair type. Say goodbye to unwanted flyaways and hello to sleek, manageable hair. Perfect for all hair types, from coily to straight and wavy. It delivers exceptional results for everyone, enhancing natural texture and beauty. What we like. This bonding oil provides incredible shine and protects your hair from heat styling. It visibly smooths hair and offers up to 72 hours of frizz control. If you want to add a glossy finish, shield your hair from heat, and tame frizz, this oil is a must-have. What people say. It leaves hair soft, shiny, and manageable without feeling greasy. You can really feel the professional quality, and it truly revitalizes damaged or dry hair. This Olaplex No. 7 Bonding Oil is a lightweight and highly concentrated hair oil that works well for adding shine and reducing frizz. It also provides heat protection, which is great if you use styling tools often. Adds moisture and shine, without making hair looks only or feel sticky. This is absolutely a must-have product, works great for straight hair and curls. Number 2. Biolage Color Last Shampoo. Keep your hair color looking vibrant and fresh. This shampoo is designed to protect your treated hair from fading. Experience deep nourishment that strengthens your hair. It helps to maintain the health and integrity of your color-treated strands. Infuse your hair with essential hydration for a silky smooth feel. Enjoy a brilliant shine that enhances your hair's natural beauty. Formulated with soybean oil and stearic acid, it works to revitalize your hair. These natural ingredients help to preserve your color. Enjoy a clean formula that is free from parabens and mineral oil. It's also vegan, making it a conscious choice for your hair care. Achieve long-lasting color results while keeping your hair healthy. This shampoo is your partner in maintaining beautiful, vibrant, and strong hair. What we like. This shampoo is specifically formulated to protect color-treated hair, nourishing and hydrating it deeply. It also enhances shine, keeping your color vibrant. If you have colored hair and want to maintain its vibrancy while ensuring it's nourished and shiny, this is your go-to. What people say. It definitely helps to protect and maintain the color. The texture is not too heavy and deeply hydrates without feeling greasy or heavy. It rinses out nicely. Leaves the hair and color shiny and healthy. Excellent for color-treated hair, it really works. It smells so clean and fresh too. The shampoo definitely helps with retaining the color of my hair dye longer than other brands I have tried. My hair always feels fresh and clean afterwards and I have less hair loss after using. No itchiness or dandruff with just volume and shine. Number 1. Pureology Hydrate Shampoo. Introducing Pureology Hydrate Shampoo, specially formulated for dry or color-treated hair. Experience intense moisture and incredible softness with every wash. This luxurious shampoo deeply hydrates your strands, combating dryness and leaving your hair feeling replenished. It's the perfect solution for thirsty locks. Protect your vibrant color while ensuring optimal hydration. It gently cleanses without stripping essential moisture, keeping your color looking fresh. Enriched with natural rose extract and green tea, it nourishes your hair from root to tip. Enjoy the benefits of these botanical ingredients for healthier-looking hair. We believe in gentle yet effective care. That's why this formula is proudly vegan and sulfate-free, ensuring a kind and conscious cleansing experience for your hair. Unlock a new level of softness and radiant shine. It transforms dry, dull hair into a smooth, manageable, and luminous mane. What we like. This shampoo provides intense moisture for dry or color-treated hair, leaving it incredibly soft. It's formulated with rose extract and green tea, and is vegan and sulfate-free. If you struggle with dry hair and are looking for deep hydration, enhanced softness, and a gentle, clean formula, this shampoo is perfect for you. What people say. My hair has overprocessed from highlighting for years, my hair is now manageable. Like I only need to wash it every 2 to 3 days. That has never happened before. It's very moisturizing without being heavy. It leaves my hair feeling soft, smooth, and moisturized without weighing it down. The scent is fresh and clean, and a small amount goes a long way. After just a few uses, I noticed my hair looked healthier and less frizzy. Transforms hair in one was plus it's vegan. I have many hair types in my household from fine and silky to kinky and textured, and everyone's hair was elevated after using. Definitely restores moisture softness. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.